Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen, euro JPY and CHF JPY. These three JPY pairs currently giving significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade them, let's first look at bigger picture looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly starting with CHF JPY, we can see the previous months this market has formed a middleman. Now this is a middleman that has broken out of this important monthly resistance turn support here, has a strong rejection long week candle, and as soon as this market opened yesterday, we have seen that after a little pullback the market is moving towards the upside. Now if you look at the overall historical market structure on CHF JPY, it is in fact a long term bullish market. We can expect this market to continue to rise in that direction. Now if we look at the weekly time frame on CHF JPY, we can see typical bullish market structure. What do you see that with this weekly impulse, correction, impulse? Now with that impulse this week, what we have so far, we have seen that the price has broken this weekly low, grabbed the liquidity and had formed a long week candle. Now with that long week candle, what we can expect CHF JPY, the price to continue to rise in that direction. If we look at the daily to see overall picture, now we see that from the daily perspective CHF JPY has broken this previous swing low, which is in fact a significant level of support here. The price has broken this low, grabbed the liquidity and then has formed a strong rejection from the support level. Now today's candle so far, we have seen that CHF JPY has gone up, and we could see that continuation to the upside in the upcoming week, as we see the price has broken this local support level, which in fact previous liquidity zone has broken that and then has started to move to the upside. Now with that movement the price gain new momentum, and we can expect now the price to go ahead and to create a new higher high. Now if we look at further lower time frame from the intraday, what we see that CHF JPY has broken with this massive drop, and then we saw that there was a consolidation. Quite a few long week dodges has been created here. Now with that long week dodges, CHF JPY in fact rejected from this support level, and then we saw that the price has broken out of this structure. This is where we will be waiting for a retest of this previous resistance as a support, and this is where we will be waiting for an entry opportunity in the upcoming time. What I think that CHF JPY may continue to rise, so this is where we will be waiting for an entry. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now let's look at dollar yen. As you can see, dollar yen also, we have seen that with this NFP release, the price has broken towards the upside with a strong momentum. Now if you look at the monthly bigger picture, dollar yen is a long-term bullish market. We have seen the previous months has formed this also bullish candle. The price just tested this previous resistance line as a support, and from that level we have seen that dollar yen has broken towards the upside, and what I think that dollar yen may continue to rise to create a new higher high in this direction. Now, if we look at the weekly time frame on dollar yen, we can see that from the weekly perspective this is the resistance here, turning support here, and we can expect dollar yen to continue to rise in the direction. The price has tested this previous resistance as support from the weekly, and we see that there's a long week candle is being created. What I think that it might close as a doji this week, and then we could see continuation to the upside to create new higher high. Now if we look at the daily, we can see that the price also forming typical bullish market structure. Now this is the daily candle so far, has a strong rejection from the support. What I think that in the new trading we might see a doji along the zone, and then we could see continuation to the upside, as it is a very long term strong bullish market structure. Now if we look at further lower time frame from the intraday, we can see that The price has formed. This is a smart money area. We saw that there is a rejection from here, and we will be waiting for a retest of this level. As you can see, this candle already closing in 1 hour 16 minutes from this time of recording. What I think that after closing of this candle, we can expect a pullback. On the pullback, as you can see, this is the local resistance line just been broken. We'll wait for a retest of this resistance as a support. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now let's look at euro jpy. Now euro jpy, as you can see, like all the JPY pairs, we see that euro jpy also strongly bullish. We saw the price has grabbed liquidity also from the support multiple times, has formed this long bullish candle, and as soon as this one closed, we saw the market again creating another momentum. Now from the higher time frame perspective on euro jpy, like all the jpy pairs, we see that this one also has formed a bullish market structure from the weekly and from the monthly as well. After this candle close, as soon as this monthly open, we saw the market is heading towards the upside. So from the lower time frame perspective, we see that the price already has broken out of this structure. We will wait for a lower time frame pullback. So as soon as we will find suitable entry on euro jpy, we also will be considering going long with a high probability trade setup. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.